For decades, Bollywood has been the face of Indian cinema, along with Satyajit Ray. People across the world have identified Indian cinema with mainstream Bollywood films, actors, and dance routines. However, the past few years have witnessed growing aversion to Bollywood. How did this happen? What led to this state of disinclination? In this video, we take a look at the key reasons behind the erosion of love for Bollywood. Mainstream films have coexisted with parallel cinema. Bollywood is no different. There have been classics on both sides with directors, performers, and other members of the industry garnering rave reviews and success. However, majority of audience prefer to encourage mainstream entertainers. This didn't discourage people who worked on the parallel side. The affinity of audience towards mainstream entertainers eventually led to complacency, and filmmakers began to take the audience for granted. People grew tired of the bad product and they began to look for other options. People began to explore content from other industries thanks to cheaper internet access and the advent of OTT platforms. This led to the demand for better content from Bollywood. Encouragement of lesser known films and artists are increasing with every passing day. Nowadays, people don't hesitate in rejecting poor content. It's no secret that many successful Bollywood movies were remakes. There have been remakes of films from other film industries in India as well as film industries in other nations and even the Hindi film industry itself. Much to the surprise of a lot of people, including the makers, many remakes have performed well in states from where the original movies came from. However, remakes often translate to dearth in creativity, and this has irked many viewers who want fresh stories. There are more remakes lined up for release once the pandemic is over. People began checking out movies from other languages thanks to OTT platforms and the dubbed versions available on YouTube and TV channels. Speaking of remakes, how can we leave out the trend of remaking old songs? Mashups became a huge hit due to various television channels, DJs and party clubs. But the past decade has witnessed remakes of old songs, a raging trend that has irked people who prefer to keep the essence of original songs. This includes artists like A.R. Rahman who fumed at the remake of Masakali. The overwhelming presence of party songs and remakes have frustrated a good portion of the audience. A raging topic of recent times has been nepotism, and it's mainly associated with Bollywood. Nepotism is not new in Bollywood. There have been successful as well as unsuccessful star kids. Star kids have been hyped by various platforms for a long time. The discussion got a major boost after the infamous Kangana Ranaut episode and the untimely death of Sushant Singh Rajput. The struggles and discrimination faced by outsiders trying to grab the brass ring are no secret. Nepotism is seen as one of the bigger obstacles for the outsiders. There is a strong belief that torchbearers and beneficiaries of nepotism ostracize talented outsiders. Right now, many treat star kids with utter contempt. This has unfortunately led to cyberbullying, which is a terrible byproduct of public anger at the indignation towards outsiders. The Hindi film industry has a slew of award ceremonies besides the national awards. These ceremonies have its fair share of controversies. There have been allegations of certain personalities buying awards. There have been results where deserving winners were kept away from recognition. There are personalities who have openly voiced their dissatisfaction over various award ceremonies, including Aamir Khan. These personalities prefer appreciation from audience and they work hard to entertain them. This is a controversial and sensitive point. There is a section of people who are unhappy with Bollywood for being anti-Hindu. The anger stems from certain films and shows which, according to the section, take abhorrent shots at Hinduism. One of the most polarizing films happens to be the Rajkumar Hirani film PK, which managed to offend many Hindus. Another issue is anti-nationalism. When certain stars decided to speak or stand against government, a section of audience got frustrated. There are people who believe that criticism of the ruling party or leaders is same as stomping on the nation. And when public figures express their disapproval, backlash is inevitable. A common sentiment for the section is, why should these movie stars talk politics? Stay in your lane! These are the factors which have led to the loss of love for Bollywood. These factors are aiding other film industries, which ultimately led to the current upswing in the popularity of regional cinema. We will take a look into this upsurge later. The Hindi film industry produces many underrated gems, and few of them are available on different OTT platforms. On a parting note, I have a question for the audience who don't encourage good films at the box office. Why? If you liked the video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and relatives, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell button. I hope you and your family and your friends are safe and sound during this pandemic.